On Tuesday, Tata-owned Air India ordered 470 passenger planes from Airbus and Boeing in the largest aircraft purchase deal in aviation history. The combined value of the 470 aircraft deal is estimated at $70 billion. The provisional deals for 220 Boeing and 250 Airbus planes surpass previous records for a single airline as Air India competes with IndiGo to serve the world's largest population. In an industry where the winner usually takes all, US President Joe Biden called the agreement historic and spoke to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi via phone. The Airbus order includes 210 A320neo narrowbody planes and 40 A350 widebody aircraft, which Air India will use to fly ultra-long routes, Tata Chairman N Chandrasekaran said. Boeing will supply 190737 MAX, 20 of its 787 Dreamliners, and 10 minijumbo 777X. Together with another 25 Airbus jets to be leased, the overall acquisition reaches 495 jets, an Airbus executive said.